Hi everybody, on today's video I have this Mercedes CLK. This is my convertible, the W208, and I'm tackling an oil leak that I've been having that has been coming from the compressor side. So I haven't really thought of making a video but before, which is why I removed all the compressor and the air filter and everything that's sitting here. Everything that's sitting here is fairly easy to remove. Even the alternator, the whole thing is actually quite easy to remove. And now I'm just about to discover where my oil leak is coming from, because when I open this bolt, you can see all the oil started coming out. So there is a number of bolts here that we need to remove in order to get this part out. This part here is mounting the these pulleys here, the idler pulley and also the tensioner. So this tensioner is obviously for the belt, so you have to remove the belt as well. And I remove, as I mentioned, I remove the alternator. It's just 2 bolts and obviously the plugs at the back, and then you have a number of bolts to take out and 2 bolts that go into the cylinder, not cylinder head, but the block from this side that way, and then the rest are this way. And then as you can see, maybe this is already moving, so what I'm gonna do is get the bolts, the rest of the bolts out, and get this out, and finally discover where on earth is this oil coming from, because it's been dripping quite a bit. So I would say now it's quite a major leak, and also I thought it was coming from the actual tensioner, the chain tensioner, this here, but it's not. So stay tuned. I'm just going to remove those bolts and take this bit out. I'm gonna drop it down and see where this oil is coming from. Okay, I can finally see where this oil is coming from, and basically it's coming from the side of the block. So where the block here meets this part, that's where it's leaking from. I just temporarily fitted these bolts back so I know where they go. I don't forget where each one goes, but that's basically the problem there. That's where it's leaking from, and that is gonna be a big job. That's not gonna be a, basically that cover there covers the chain, which goes all the way down and it comes all the way up here. And to remove that cover, we have to remove quite obviously everything that's here on the front, including the water pump and the crankshaft pulley and whatnot. So don't even want to think about it right now, but that needs to be fixed because it's been gradually leaking for a while, and now it's just dropping a lot more. It can still survive for a little while like that, but it's just gonna get worse and worse. So that's gonna be a pain in the neck. Nevertheless, if you're wondering if you do have a leak as well on the side like this, perhaps this video will help you sort of determine where it's coming from. You might not need to dismantle everything. If it's not coming from here, from the tensioner bolt, or it's not coming from up here, then it's gotta be coming from the middle there. There's nothing else there. So anyway, having said that, I hope the video helps. Don't forget to subscribe, and we'll see you on the next video. So thank you for watching.